来，你干嘛我的？Okay, see number 2, we go this way. Okay, and here. We're here. Then there's the place for lunch. Remember, lunch place, there's a convenience shop. If you couldn't find the restaurant, remember, these are high life. High life. We got the map, so we don't need to see the big one. High life. That's somewhere nearby the restaurant, okay? So 12:30 here. Then and I can go either this way. This you can see the boat. Number 9 here. Take the boat. The first thing I would like to take you here to see the show. Then I take you here. Then afterwards, coming back, I show you here. Then you can walk around. It's not difficult. And later, I think you can do it. Okay? Shall we go now? 11 o'clock, take the boat.
Oh.
No? You don't swim? I don't swim either. That's good. So I don't take boat. You do you take the boat? Oh, hallelujah.
Alam na alam mo yan, Pilipino ka yata dati ah.
It's okay. Once.
Sorry. Oh, sa mga gina-guide niya. Yeah.
Oh, you can say high life.
Ano yan? Ano yan, sir?
Oh, high life.
Highlight.
Here, huh?
The food court?
Ano yan, pagkain yan?
Are we na?
Convenience store.
Ah, convenience store. Sikat,
Restaurant.
You are so smart.
sikat sa Taiwan yan.
High life here. How to say smart?
Matalino.
Magaino. It's not maganda. I know yan. Parang maganda, bini-bini, magaino. Maganda, bini-bini, magaino.
Matalino.
Okay.
我们中午几点吃饭
12点半。
？12点，就那
highlight
那上
从这边 highlight
对，好。
So eventually, that's once you couldn't find it. Anyway, the lunch place is inside. Okay, there's also walk here, so you can see. High life, stay one. That's high life. Could you see high life? I mean convenience shop. You see the people, right? That's the shop. So, from there or from here?
我们是2楼上面嘛，吃饭。
我现在不敢确定这个。Probably. I have to pick up the So probably we need to have This is my famous chain coffee shop, Luisa. Just legal in my home. There are 2 Luisa. So I pretend I'm legal one.
Ah,
Ah?
wala akong jacket. Oh,
Ah?
sa highlight. Highlight. Opo,
Oh,
opo.
sure.
Okay.
几点吃饭？12点。
Lunch time. They're starting serving 12:30. So you can come there 12:15, 12:20. You need to use the washroom properly.
Okay.
You can come a little
Anong
bit
papakita
early.
namin, sir?
Ah?
Ah,
Hindi, basta...
sabay-sabay lang. Ah, okay. Sige.
Okay.
Sige.
Hi.
Over
Hi.
that side.
Bangka, okay.
Ladies park, this and that, and also the imitation of a very well-known rich guy's family over there, villa. Okay, you can also walk through the whole mountain area to the left. The inside is not any historical building. It's just like a Lovers Bridge or some small path, okay? Scenery. Yeah.
11点
I think we need to.
离这
Wait,
个
yeah. We'll be coming back. 我先去跟有个表演，要不要看一下？
对啊，对啊
看一。下。We need to go to see the show first, okay? Because our boat is 11.
11.
So we still got time. So why we go over to the place first, and later finish the boat cruise. Then you got plenty of time to walk around. Okay, and you see from here. Why I say here? You see the chimney, right? That's the exit. That's showing you the exit. You see the chimney.
Para di mawala.
Before
Okay,
the
sige.
chimney.
Very good.
Highlight. Turn to the left. That's the restaurant. Okay.
Magkawalaan kami.
pupunta muna tayo sa show.
We
Let's
better
go
go
together
there.
to the show first.
And okay, firstly, I pass to the place we take the boat.
Excuse me, let's go
Here.
to the show first.
We go to the show, but anyway, you know the place.
Later you have more free time.
Later, after the cruise, after
the
show, you got plenty of free time. You can do a lot of things by yourself. Okay.
Parang gusto ko yung boat.
This is the ship. We're going to all this the boat. We all this is the canoe. Anyway, this kind of boat. We're going to take it. 11. So come back here. You can see the small tower here. 11 o'clock. We're going to take the boat. In case you didn't follow me, please come back here to take the boat.
11.
11.
Not 11. 11 alis na ang boat.
11
Ah?
o'clock.
Ay, mga 10:30.
They also have the
10:45.
safe
Sige.
jacket. Life jacket here. So it's okay. Don't worry. Don't you worry. What time we have to come back here?
10:45.
10:45 11.
No. 早一点早婚了，10点。
Okay, 11:10 pa lang alis ng ano.
Oh, okay.
11 o'clock.
11
come back
tara.
here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Slowly. You don't have to walk so quick. This is one road. The other road is over there. And also you can see before you board the boat, it's better to use the washroom. But it's not for long, it's about 20 minutes, okay? In the boat, it's no toilet.
No.
So CR is there. Once you want to do it before your boat, okay? Before the boat.
Wala nang toilet doon, sir. Wala na yung toilet pupuntahan doon. Meron pa pala. Sige.
Nagmamadali na siya.
Okay.
Mountain
Sige.
small hill stop, and also to look over here. So once you walk over to the other side, it's nice place to take photo. To take this direction, okay?
他们也可以过去另外一边吧。
可以。今天坐船的位置。在隆重爱巴拉，跨边巴拉。If you watch, you don't have to pay. You want to take away, you need to pay. You can touch, you can feel, you can watch, you can no problem. What you want to take away, open shop. You want to take away, you need to buy, you need to pay. Then I have to keep on. 还有这
看秀，先看秀等一下几点可以坐船吗？
对，有讲11点半
11点半，
不同的批次是吧？
哎
10点45，10点
10点45，我们看一点点就好，不看。
Okay.
The show each day twice. In the morning once. But show starting at 10:45. So you got you come back around 10. Then you know the manual. Just come over by the riverside.
Nano na ako.
After lunch na lang. After lunch.
Thank you.
看你笑那么开心，没
Ha? Ay, nahanap.
这几天真的是累，难得到了。可乐华，还有谁什么时候有玩？在我们那边。
Ayun. Tinapay. Ayun pa, tinapay.
既然全部都拿到的话，就要赶快去下载指令，不然就要关门喽。
我进来以后，对，会找我
这是什么？
然后我的同学住。
这里怎么会有陌生人啊？
好，你走，走喽。
喂，等等我啊！
火焰山的起
Yun.
我讲，还是上街。
Sir.
Hindi kayo maiwan.
Dito si Sir eh.
Si boss.
We're now sailing through the inner waterway of the Gomshad River, one of Ilan's most famous waterways. The calm surface is like a mirror, with
Everybody.
fountains gliding across. Along the bayfronts luxury street, street, workshops, traveler shops, and creative studios. It's a place where art and
Tulad na kami, sir.
Baka naman. Yeah. Thank you.
Monkey. 夸奖，看这边。William. Okay. It's from
Can feed
Pwede
a
pala
fish.
magpakain ng
Yeah,
fish.
feed a
Yeah.
fish. And then feed a dog, okay? Yeah.
Akala ko naman chocolate.
Daw, 115.
Sinabi ka agad, hindi na bakit niya eh.
Hindi kala ko pagkain ng pato.
which opened represents culture healing and exchange. Daily performances are held here at 10:30 a.m. and 2 p.m., ranging from traditional opera to folk arts. If you have time, it's a wonderful opportunity to experience Taiwan and culture.
Isa rin yung pahaba ng 360.
Pero same features lang.
Same features lang po.
Yun yung nauna, no?
Ito po yung nauna.
Ah, ito yung... Yeah, you
It's
can
okay?
see there.
Yan, kahila kayo. Uwi na kami. Uwi na kami. Sige, hindi pala kayo dyan.
kasi ano ka sa atin, na pwedeng kami na ganito. Diba? Sa atin, buong namin maganda eh.
Marami, oh. Kaya lang walang sumusuporta. Eh.
Parang mahirap na eh, walang highway.
Wala po ako.
Yung sa atin, ganda, diba? Nature.
Features a wide range of performing arts, crafts, and folk traditions. Surrounding 36 solar flush symbolize the many artistic
Lunch na tayo, guys. Go upstairs and take a lunch. Go!
You don't have to sit according to the bus numbers, okay? Sit whatever, wherever you like to. Because
Thank you.
So first of all, we want to thank every dealer allocate your time to together with us. We hope you enjoy the itinerary, enjoy the food, and enjoy everything here in Taiwan. So next year we will be in Japan. So we hope we can still see you. So now, it's allowed me to introduce some of our team members to go with us this time. Now, first, I would like to introduce to you two of our top sales. Number one,
Wow. Wala na dito si Maturo. Wow. Galing. Mama. Yay.
more than 10 years. Two of them are the top sales.
Wow.
And please also allow me to introduce three of our Manco members, Denzel, Johnson, and Sir Creep.
Yay.
Creep is our sales manager more than 20 years. So deep inside our heart, on behalf of Freetech, we really thankful for your support for past some of the dealers supporting us more than 20 years. So we hope we can be partner for next 10 and 20 years.
More than.
Thank you.
More than. Okay. Speech. Kaya pala.
They got so many times to champion the world. So, the Scottish people, they were so jealous. How come you made it? We made the whiskey in the world. Johnny Walker, this and that, everything, it's Scotland. Then, again, the world champion. So, now, Cavalan, price is going up.
Kabalin. Unlimited.
Factory is still very low.
Unlibo pay yan, kabalin. Unlibo pay yan sa amin.
We're not doing too much advertising. Let people try. And
Kabalin.
because, you know, this area, you can see the farmers. So here, it's not very much polluted. You can see it's very natural air. And the water is not being destroyed or being influenced by the fertilizer because they use the organic fertilizer. Yeah. So that's right. The water eventually is very good spring with healthy animal, other brown, and also mechanism. So with very good organic.
Sir, ma'am, picture tayo.
Hey.
Ano yun? Pangalan, sakto nga. Isa nyo nga yun kumuha. Anong pangalan nga nun? Yung Bulacan?
Joel.
Joel Ski. Sa inyo nga pala kumuha.
Tour upstairs.
Sabi ng asawa ko, Jan. Okay. Mga big time pala tong kasama ko. Okay lang.
Torres, siya. Come on. 2005. This order from France.
Ito yung partner ni Sir Joel.
Ito po. Sir, ikaw yung pinaka-boss. Mautangan kita pagdating ng panahon. Okay. Sir, Ray po. Okay.
Then they everybody use the brand new
Sir, pasuyo din po ako. So, para... Thank you po. Kayo po. Okay. Sige po. Thank you.
Fermentation.
Sarap ang alak, oh. Unlimited alak. Ah. Ah. Oh, yung final na talaga. Last stage. Ah. Ah.
Worldwide na sila.
Worldwide na.
Worldwide na sila.
Pero meron ba sa Pilipinas? Kapalan?
Parang wala akong ano yun.
Hindi sila nag-import.
Oh.
Sir Alexi. Okay. You know the secret. It's no problem. But you go to England to make the same thing. You cannot make it because weather and water is not on their hands. It's in this hand. Okay. Now, to make whiskey or wine doesn't need building to contain it in the time. Very nice time. You can also they can put in this because you can control the temperature.
Yan nga eh. Masarap kasi sir eh. Sarap kasi yung alak. Oh, basta alak, lalo pag may balak. Sarap. Tuloy.
Okay, Lisa, plus one.
Bus one. Isa rin. Isa.
No one plus.
Isa.
Expensive. Cannot.
Ma'am, picture ko kayong dalawa. Okay, akin na. Sige po. Pag ganito, tsaka pa tayo. Sige po. 1, 2, 3. Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ito po. 1, 2, 3. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Pa-check po. Kung okay ba. Hindi po. Okay na po ako. Thank you. Okay na? Sige, salamat din.
Shop behind it and a coffee shop upstairs.
Okay.
Kalimutan po muna
Okay. Yeah. Bus one.
Okay, you got coupon, huh?
Yes, I got the coupon.
Okay. You got your option. You got your price 200. You can have two glasses with each one 100. Or you can have one glass 200. 200, yeah. One glass 200, that means
So one shot 100.
One shot 100.
O hindi 100. 10 ml ba? One shot?
100, 200.
Yeah, you can
10 cc, 10 ml.
you can decide by
And you
yourself.
can choose two tasting and choose two.
4 shots.
Choose one.
4 shots. Is this 4 shots?
Okay, and the 100.
200 only. So, what's this? 100.
100.
100. Okay.
200, choose one tasting.
So,
100
pwede dalawa.
tasting.
Okay.
Maybe one
Okay.
bottle.
Ay, no. Sorry, Tagalog. O nga pala. Okay. Sige po. Okay, dito na po. Dito na ako, ha?
Akala ko papalitan na natin ito eh.
Apo. Hindi, nagtanong lang. Eh.
60%?
Which one is your bestseller? Which is the bestseller?
200.
One. Which is the bestseller? I'll choose one.
Choose one.
The bestseller where? Ay, so nahihirapan ako. So, mamili na lang ako. Ay, Tagalog. Paano ba yun?
最好喝的是
magaling.
这个
Ito, the best.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, very much. Thank you. Marunong pala to. This one, 200 na. Automatic yan. Yan na, isa na lang. Yan, para isang
Okay.
shot na lang. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Where? Over there. Ay.
Magiging palainom tayo
Oh.
dito.
Hindi naman, ano lang naman to. Taste lang. Sa'yo sir, dalawa, no? Dalawa binigay.
Kinuha ko yung, kasi yung mga babae.
Ayaw. Okay po. Oo, sige. Okay.
Unahin yung light muna.
Kasi yung
Para hindi mabigla yung
Okay.
sayang.
Po.
Light muna yung
Light lang.
Kasi sa coffee, no? Baka sa coffee.
Ay, yung iba-iba. Okay.
This one, triple shady, two bourbon oak tasting
Sir.
from left to the right to table. Okay.
Ano daw?
Kasi kasi nakita ko nga na, no? Parang
Okay.
pinasa ko parang yun talaga.
Hello.
Hello.
This kitty.
This one.
Yeah.
This is the most famous.
Famous.
Okay. Magkarunong. Thank you very much.
2024.
This is
Tokyo
masarap.
Champion.
This is masarap. Champion. Wow. Wow, ang galing. Champion ng 2024. Wow.
Yeah, 2024.
Okay, sige.
Tokyo champion.
Tokyo champion. Wow, sarap. So guys, alam nyo na, masarap daw to. Yan, champion daw yan. Ito yung titikman natin. Okay, ano yung ito yung whiskey ng the best daw itong napili ko na whiskey. Ito daw nag-champion ng 2024 sa Tokyo, Japan. So try natin to guys. Hanap tayo ng maupuan. So dito na lang tayo. So, try na natin. Cheers. Kampay. Ang tapang. Ang tapang. Grabe. Nag-init agad ako Grabe, nag-init agad ako katawan ko. Tapang yung nakuha ko. Kayo matapang, sir? Tapang nakuha mo?
Oh. Mahal na ito sa Manila.
Mahal na to? Okay.
Siguro mga triple.
3,000. Triple, okay. Tapang, oh. Cheers ulit.
Apat yung buto yung aming sarap. Kung tama sa pakasama ko. Oo. Hindi ko sure kung tama sa pakasama ko. Ayun, makakapot mo ang dyan. Great set.
Nag-init ang katawan ko lahat
Bagay po sa lamig.
Bagay sa lamig. Init. Sarap. Pero habang tumatagal, sumasarap. Sumarap ang katawan ko. Oh?
Tingnan tayo sa mga. Nakataste ko na. Meron ko. 200 kahit 200.
Hindi ko maubos-ubos. Kaunti nga lang eh.
Kaya tubig, hindi lang.
Yep. For the experience. Yung iniinom ko guys, nanalo daw to sa Tokyo, Japan noong 2024. The best whiskey in the world to. Itong ano na to, klase na binigay sa akin. Ito daw yung pinaka best seller.
Masarap ng banana.
Malasing na.
Pwede ba?
Oo.
Pwede lang bumili na dalawa.
Ah, oh, basta depende daw sa ticket mo. Ano ba yung ticket mo? 200? May presyo kasing 100 NTD, pero din 200. Ito sa akin kinuha ko 200 sa isa. O 200 na to kasi ito daw yung bestseller.
Sakto yun eh.
Yung bestseller ang pinakinuha niya.
Ah. 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 Taiwanese whiskey. Sarap. I am drunk now.
I got a fancy idea now.
Hey, you drink too many. I have a little only, but it's half.
I'm going to tell you funny things later.
Okay.
Until what time are we able to
Okay.
stay? 3:30 we'll be leaving.
3:30. Thank you. 3:30.
3:30 we'll be leaving here. You walk
3:30.
out and then you see
Malayo
the
pa.
coach and pull it, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Tapang nung ano?
Tapang, yung napili ko, yung bestseller, oh.
Yung
Tapang,
triple
oh.
share yung masarap.
Opo, no.
Triple share.
Mm.
Once I buy this back home, my wife said,
You're always drunk. Your wife got mad at you.
this is strong, you know, 50.
Very strong.
More than 50.
Kamu.
More than 50. It's almost the
Grabe
same as
ang tapang.
Korean liquor.
10% alcohol.
50. Grabe ka,
50.
grabe, oo.
50%.
50% ang, yan, oh, kaya malakas.
It's quite strong.
Oh, quite strong talaga.
Yung mga ano na, yung sa mga single tone.
Opo.
Kasi yung masarap niyan, yung mga...
A little sip. $280.
Maybe that's your favorite. Kasi ang dami mong nilagay.
How many years?
Mm.
As I mentioned.
Mas matagas taas na years, mas masarap. Yung pagka yung fermented na matagal, mas masarap.
15 years.
Oh, mga ganun, 10 years, 15 years.
Yeah, around there.
Mm.
Around there. But anyway,
Mm. 8,000 NTD. Oh, halos pa times to man.
16,000 plus.
Oh, sus, grabe, aray.
Sa duty free siguro, meron din yan.
Meron siguro, baka peke naman. Eh, dito na lang pumili kung gusto mong bumili. Oh, baka peke naman doon. Oh.
Mahal pa sa...
Mas maganda dito na lang kung gusto talagang bumili, ha?
Ikaw
Oh,
bibili.
ayoko.
Nakabudol pala tayo.
Wow.
Apat na mas mahal yung trial. Mas mura. Yung triple sherry pa nga mas mahal dito nasa 2-3. Andun yung isa nasa 1+.
Ayan. Bigyan ko kayo ng price, guys. Idea sa price ng whiskey ng Kabalan. Ito 8,000 NTD. Ito siya. Bali, parang 8,000 NTD, mga 16,000 pesos ito. Itong whiskey na to. Ito. 16,000 pesos yan. Yan ang price niya. Ito naman 12,000 NTD. Almost 21,000 pesos ito to. Itong flavor na yan. Yung model na yan. May maliliit pala eh. Maliliit. Taiwanese Red Horse. Taiwanese Red Horse. Gelato.